Well, Gary got 2 to 10 years for aggravated assault, attempted murder, and arson. Poor baby. Isn't that right? We're gonna go visit him. Oh, yes. Now let's see how you deal with my biggest, greatest minion, rock legend, Bobby Dallas! Yay! Bring him on! I love you, Bobby Dallas! Oh.
That Joker's crazy. I can hardly see the curves. He's got his lights on high beam.
Get out of my way, fuckers! Woo! I'm gonna drive you off a cliff! Yeah!
Do it, Bobby! Drive him off a cliff! Kill him, I dare you!
I gotta pull out the road. He's gonna kill somebody.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Mama!
I'm losing control. I'm losing control.
After this, I'm gonna see your titties. I'm gonna see your titties.
Watch out! Oh no, there's rocks!